open Photoshop, open picture, image menu, image size 300, then press OK. Go to quick selection tool, go to lasso tool, hold Alt key and drag, Ctrl minus key. For zoom out, Ctrl J for copy, select copy layer, then right click, then convert to smart object, go to filter menu, select blur, then Gaussian bar, then OK. Go to smart filter and remove, go to file menu, save as, file name, then OK. Open this print in Photoshop, hold Alt and Shift, rotate, then drag, then press enter, press right click, create clipping mask, go to filter, distort and displace, OK. Select file, open, go to layer panel, select multiply, go to blending option, hold Alt key and drag, hold Alt key and drag, then press OK, Ctrl plus for zoom, the print is OK.